Okay, guys, so I want to do a quick little review of this is the RIG or RIG 100HS in the Artic Camo. Pick this guy up basically so I can play some PUBG, that, and honestly, just for videos. I had a cheap pair of earbuds that I got from 7-Eleven. They were like 15 bucks, and used them for a day. And what happened was, basically, by the next morning I woke up and only one earbud worked, and the other one was all and all scratchy and all that. So I went back to 7-Eleven, no big deal. Went up in there, got my morning coffee. I said, hey man, same guy in there. I said, hey, I know you remember me from yesterday. I come up in there and get my coffee, all blah, 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 blah. I was like, yeah, so I bought these earphones from you guys. That's what I was using for a mic setup. And basically one side broke, and then give it another, so they wouldn't take them back. Give it another 4 days, they're completely done. So kind of waste 15 bucks. I don't, I wouldn't recommend any kind of 7-Eleven style. I thought they were going to be good quality because they're like a braided looking. I mean, they looked nice, but they just weren't it. So they didn't last very long. So I picked these up this morning. Get a little day off, so I figured, might as well, show you guys what I'm working with. So already, I like them. It's pretty simple little setup, pretty simple little install, nothing too fancy. Again, this is by Plantronics, Plantronics. It's the RIG 100HS in Artic Camo. Ultralight frame configures for perfect fit, and I'm gonna lie, it's pretty comfortable. I've been wearing it the last couple hours now. Vented ear cup, so right in here. I'm using it right now actually to record this video, guys. So kind of just reading off the box. Basically, like it says, they are a vented earpiece. This is the Artic Camo, what they look like. It's got this cool little tag. They're pretty comfortable. It's super lightweight. My big question is, they're pretty cheap. They're like 10 bucks more. These things are like 25 bucks, $26 after tax. So, it's nothing crazy or anything like that. You guys, I'm sure you guys know about better brands and options than I do. I'm kind of just getting into this, So, I figured I'd pick it up so that way I can at least get some better quality. And then they got the audio control and the mic control right here. So you can, and then it's also got the slide. I don't know if that's focusing or not, I can't tell. It's got the slide, so you can up and down on the volume. Basically, it's not a bad little setup. 26 bucks. So it's 1.3 millimeter cable for use dual shock wireless controllers. I don't have a PS4, so that doesn't apply to me. It is compatible with PlayStation, PC, phone, or tablet. So primarily PC, phone, and tablet. So that's what I got them for. Xbox, they have the Xbox version. It's white. I believe it was white with the green. I can't remember. Same price, Xbox version. It's the same company, same exact model. I like the PlayStation model more. I just like the Artic Camo, so that's why I got them. Other than that, so it's a 1.3 millimeter cord. I'm not sure how long this cord is. Pretty decent, so you don't got to worry about it. Sometimes with these shorter ones, they kind of you know, get yanked up on stuff real. And same thing with the long ones too, but yeah, so they're not bad so far. Then it's got the microphone boom that rotates from left to right, ear wearing positions, and then inline mute and volume controls, which is what I just showed you guys. Other than that, that's what it is. I mean, I like them. The only thing I'm not gonna say I wish, but because I mean, they got them. I don't know about this exact model or brand, but if I could just get the ones, I think I would get next pair I'll get is going to be like the dual ear. It's got both sides for the ear headphone. So yeah, that's that. And thanks for watching, guys. You guys got any questions, comments, anything you want to drop in the comment box? Any request, hit me up. Alright, guys.